What if the sky became the smartest tool in your arsenal? From precision thermal tracking to fully independent flight in signal-denied zones, these drones are built to operate where others simply can't. In this episode of digibot, we explore 5 cutting-edge UAVs designed for demanding, real-world missions. Don't skip ahead. The final reveal takes aerial innovation to an entirely new level. Meet the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series, a powerful drone platform built for professional operations. The DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series is compact, foldable, and easy to carry and deploy, allowing teams to operate quickly across wilderness and complex environments. With a maximum flight time of up to 45 minutes, helping you cover a wide ground and complete critical tasks during every mission. The drone features a 20-megapixel camera with a 4/3-inch CMOS sensor. Its mechanical shutter, with speeds up to 1/2000th of a second, significantly reduces motion blur and improves mapping precision. With 0.7-second capture intervals, aerial surveys become faster and more efficient. The drone also features a powerful zoom camera with up to 56 times hybrid zoom, enabling operators to detect small targets, such as a 3mm wide wire from 15 meters away. Wide-angle lenses provide advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly improving operational safety and helping the drone navigate complex environments. The system also integrates wide-angle visual imaging and thermal detection capabilities, allowing operators to clearly detect and inspect thermal sources and continue operations effectively even at night. Mission efficiency can be further improved by scaling both thermal and visual camera feeds simultaneously. With DJI Flight Hub 2, teams can synchronize operations, gain real-time on-site information, and achieve efficient air-to-ground coordination. The DJI RC Pro Enterprise Controller, running DJI Pilot 2, delivers a stable and efficient flight control experience. It features a built-in microphone, supports text-to-speech, and can connect to a high-volume loudspeaker to deliver messages clearly in the field. With DJI O3 Enterprise transmission and optional 4G cellular connectivity, operators benefit from stable communication even in complex work environments. The drone also supports DJI Terra, PSDK, MSDK, and Cloud API, enabling powerful software and hardware expansion to meet the needs of different industries. And the price of the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise series starts at $3,600, depending on configuration and accessories. Introducing the powerful Autel EVO Max 4T, an advanced enterprise drone designed for intelligence, autonomy, and mission-critical operations. The Autel EVO Max 4T features a weather-resistant airframe, carries an IP43 weather rating, allowing the drone to fly in harsh conditions. At the heart of this drone is a powerful onboard computing system. It is built with an 8-core processor and a 26 teraflop compute chipset, providing the processing power needed for advanced AI-based navigation. To enhance situational awareness, the drone combines binocular vision systems with millimeter-wave radar technology. This multi-sensor fusion allows the aircraft to detect obstacles with extreme precision and eliminate blind spots during flight. The EVO Max 4T is also capable of real-time navigation without GPS, allowing it to operate in complex environments such as forests, buildings, and underground structures where satellite signals may not be available. Its automatic obstacle avoidance system analyzes the surrounding environment and calculates safe flight paths, helping the drone maneuver through complex terrain safely and efficiently. For advanced connectivity, the drone uses the proprietary AMesh network system, enabling multiple EVO Max drones to communicate with each other and coordinate operations during large-scale missions. The drone carries a powerful multi-sensor payload, including a wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal camera, and a laser rangefinder. The zoom camera supports 8K imaging with 10 times optical zoom and up to 160 times digital zoom, allowing operators to capture detailed visuals of objects from long distances. With this powerful zoom capability, the drone can reveal clear details of objects located up to about 1.24 miles away, making it highly effective for inspections, search and rescue, and public safety missions. Security and reliability are also key features. The drone includes built-in anti-interference protection against RFI, EMI, and GPS spoofing, allowing it to operate safely even in high-interference environments. In terms of endurance, the EVO Max 4T offers up to 42 minutes of flight time. The drone also supports hot-swappable batteries, allowing operators to replace batteries quickly without shutting down the system. The drone is controlled through a touch-optimized user interface, providing pilots with an intuitive and efficient flight control experience. With powerful sensors, AI-driven navigation, and advanced anti-interference technology, the Autel EVO Max 4T is designed for professionals in public safety, industrial inspection, mapping, and emergency response. And the price of the Autel EVO Max 4T starts at around $8,999, depending on the configuration and included accessories. Introducing the powerful DJI Matrice 30, a new generation drone built for search and rescue, law enforcement, and to deal with firefighting situations. The DJI Matrice 30 series integrates multiple powerful sensors. It features a 16x optical zoom camera, thermal camera, wide camera, and a laser rangefinder, creating a versatile payload system. Powered by DJI's latest flight controllers, advanced image processing technology, the Matrice 30 delivers next-level performance. This drone is equipped with 6-direction sensing and positioning. Dual vision and TOF sensors help detect obstacles and provide enhanced flight protection in complex environments. A new quad antenna image transmission system further improves signal stability, ensuring reliable communication even in challenging conditions. The Matrice 30's camera system is built for precision. Its zoom camera features a 1/2-inch CMOS 48-megapixel sensor, offering 5x to 16x optical zoom and up to 200x hybrid zoom, allowing operators to capture detailed images from long distances. The wide camera, equipped with a 12-megapixel 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, records 4K video for high-quality aerial imaging. The integrated laser rangefinder can measure objects at distances of up to 1,200 meters, providing accurate distance data for inspections and monitoring tasks. For thermal operations, the Matrice 30T variant features a 640 by 512 high-resolution thermal camera capable of detecting heat signatures and temperature differences with exceptional accuracy. This makes it ideal for search and rescue missions, inspections, firefighting, and public safety operations. Even at night, the Matrice 30 continues to perform. Its low-light FPV camera helps pilots maintain clear situational awareness in dark environments, while smart low-light photo technology captures detailed images in challenging lighting conditions. Despite its advanced technology, the Matrice 30 remains compact and portable. Weighing about 3.7 kilograms, it can easily fit in a backpack and be deployed quickly in the field. Performance is another key highlight. The drone offers up to 41 minutes of flight time, a maximum speed of 23 meters per second, wind resistance up to 15 meters per second, and an operational range of 7 kilometers, enabling reliable operation in demanding environments. The aircraft also features IP55 weather resistance and can operate in temperatures ranging from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius. The system is operated using the DJI RC Plus controller, together with DJI Pilot 2 flight software and the cloud-based DJI Flight Hub 2 platform for mission planning and fleet management. It can also integrate with DJI Dock, enabling automated drone operations with remote deployment and charging. And the price of the DJI Matrice 30 starts at around $8,200, depending on configuration and accessories. The next item on our list is Siras from Teledyne FLIR. From the leaders in thermal technology comes a secure infrared drone engineered for pilots who want to fly without geofencing. Designed for professionals, Siras combines dual visible and thermal sensors with secure onboard data handling. Whether flying public safety missions, running preventive maintenance programs for utilities in heavy industry, or performing inspections and surveys, The IP54 rated Siras is built to handle demanding environments. The system connects quickly and can be airborne in just 60 seconds. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes and no geofencing restrictions, pilots can reach the scene fast and complete missions without unnecessary limitations. View TB128 is mounted beneath the airframe to deliver 16-megapixel visible imagery, powerful 128x zoom capability, and the battle-tested FLIR Boson high-resolution radiometric thermal camera, allowing operators to see critical details clearly. Using FLIR's patented MSX technology, the system overlays thermal imagery with visual detail for enhanced clarity. Siras also features radar obstacle avoidance to help keep the aircraft clear of hazards, along with dual-band connectivity. Security is a core part of the design. All mission data is stored directly on the aircraft rather than in the cloud, giving pilots confidence that sensitive information remains safe and under their control. Siras is also designed for operational efficiency. Hot swappable batteries minimize downtime between flights, while a quick connect gimbal allows payloads to be swapped quickly to support expanding mission needs. The Siras UAV system is priced at approximately $9,995. Introducing the Skydio X10, a powerful enterprise drone built for public safety, inspection, and mission-critical operations. Designed for professionals who rely on fast and accurate information, the X10 combines advanced sensors and onboard AI to deliver real-time aerial intelligence. At the core of the system is a FLIR Boson Plus 640 by 512 radiometric thermal camera, capable of detecting extremely small temperature differences, allows operators to locate heat sources, find missing persons, and inspect infrastructure. Complementing the thermal system is a 1-inch 50-megapixel wide-angle camera with a custom lens. For long-range observation, the drone also features a 64-megapixel narrow-angle camera that enables powerful optical zoom. Using transition zoom technology, the Skydio X10 can read a license plate from up to 800 feet away and identify vehicles from nearly 3 kilometers. Together, these sensors provide the situational awareness teams need during demanding missions. The Skydio X10 is designed for rapid response, deploying from backpack to flight in about 40 seconds. Its IP55 rating protects the aircraft against dust and rain, allowing it to operate reliably in harsh conditions. The drone is also resistant to electromagnetic interference, helping maintain stable performance in complex environments. For precision navigation and mapping, the X10 supports RTK GPS, delivering centimeter-level positioning accuracy. Mission flexibility is expanded with accessories such as an integrated speaker, and for enhanced safety, the drone can also be equipped with an optional parachute system. Using Skydio Connect, operators can control the drone from distances of up to 7.5 miles. An optional Skydio Connect 5G module enables operations anywhere a cellular signal is available, unlocking remote flight deck, which allows pilots to command the drone remotely through a secure web browser. Powering the aircraft is Skydio's advanced onboard autonomy system, designed to help the drone navigate complex environments. With NightSense technology, the Skydio X10 can perform autonomous flight even in complete darkness, making it ideal for nighttime inspections, disaster response, and emergency missions. The drone can also perform automated 3D scanning, capturing images that are quickly transformed into accurate digital models. These tools help teams move from aerial data collection to actionable insights faster than ever before. The Skydio X10 is NDAA compliant, meeting strict U.S. government security requirements. It is also SOC 2 compliant, ensuring high standards for operational and data security. For organizations that need advanced aerial intelligence and reliable autonomous capability, the Skydio X10 is built to deliver when it matters most. The Skydio X10 starts at approximately $12,000, depending on the sensor package and configuration. Thanks for watching. If advanced aerial systems inspire you, there's more ahead you won't want to miss. Subscribe now, stay with digibot, and be among the first to witness what's next in flight innovation.